In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost FPS in Bluestacks 5 Free Fire. If Free Fire has been feeling choppy, stuttering during fights, or just not as smooth as it should be, optimizing a few settings inside Bluestacks can make a big difference. We're going to focus entirely on the performance section, so you get higher, steadier FPS with less lag, without changing anything else. Start by launching Bluestacks 5. Once it's open, look to the right sidebar for the gear icon. That's your settings. Click it to open the control panel where all the performance options live. From here, head straight to the Performance tab. This is the place where Bluestacks decides how much of your computer's power to use for Android games like Free Fire. Now let's dial in the key settings. First, CPU allocation. Set this to high and choose 4 cores if your machine offers that option. More CPU cores allow Bluestacks to process game logic and background tasks more efficiently, which helps reduce frame drops during intense action. If 4 cores aren't available, just pick the highest option you see. BlueStacks only shows choices your hardware can handle. Next, memory. Set RAM to high, ideally 4 GB or more. Free Fire benefits from extra memory when loading textures, maps, stats, and effects, which helps minimize stutters when you rotate the camera or jump into busy areas. Keep in mind that this reserves more memory for BlueStacks, so make sure your PC has enough overall RAM to spare. For performance mode, choose high performance. This prioritizes speed and responsiveness inside the emulator, trimming anything that might slow the game down. It's the most aggressive setting for smooth gameplay and usually delivers the most noticeable uplift. Now, enable high FPS. With high FPS turned on, move the FPS slider to 60 FPS or 90 FPS if your setup supports it. 60 frames per second is a solid target that feels smooth and consistent for most systems. If 90 is available and your display can keep up, it can look even smoother, but it does demand more from your CPU and GPU. If you don't see 90, don't worry. 60 is still excellent and very stable. When you're done, click Save Changes. BlueStacks will need a restart for these settings to apply. Go ahead and restart. After BlueStacks comes back up, launch Free Fire and pay attention to aiming, camera movement, and busy team fights. You should notice quicker responses, fewer dips, and a much steadier frame rate. That's it. By adjusting CPU, RAM, performance mode, and FPS, you've tuned BlueStacks for smoother, higher FPS Free Fire. Enjoy the upgrade and happy gaming.